Hi everybody, I'm making some videos today to show you how to use the solvent star. What you'll need are your solvents for testing, you'll need swabs, a small measuring cylinder or pipette, a timer, coloured pencils, a ruler and of course a solvent star. How we begin is we select an area for testing the varnish. We pour our first solvent for testing into the measuring cylinder. We note the volume of the cylinder. We take a cotton swab. We place that in the cylinder, noting the volume change. We then take the swab, and as soon as I touch the surface on the area that I want to test, I start my timer. At the allotted time intervals on the star, I check my swab. I note the time at which I first notice any dissolution of the varnish happening. So as soon as the swab goes slightly discoloured, that's the time I take. And I then place that, for that solvent, on my solvent star.